calm down.
Okay, I'm about to get off. I'm finna get off. He grabbing me, babe. Okay, sir. Okay.
You got plenty of chance. Okay?
All right, I'm sorry.
No, you got plenty of time. Quit acting like that. Stop.
On April 21, 2025 at 12:11 a.m., two Orlando officers approached a strange vehicle behind a Wawa and smelled a leafy green substance.
Police. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine.
Oh, okay. We just got a call a suspicious vehicle in the Wawa parking lot, so we're just checking out to make sure you guys are good. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't. Not right now.
Do you have? Is this your car?
No, this is my girlfriend's car.
Okay. Where's she at?
She's here with me.
Oh, she's in the passenger seat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, we're fine. I'm just sitting right here and on my phone.
Yeah. You doing what now?
I'm sitting right here on my phone.
Oh, okay. All right, so here's the deal. Do you have a medical marijuana card, or does anybody have a medical marijuana card in the car?
No weed in here, sir. You do not smell any weed. Listen here. We're having a seriously bad day. Seriously bad day. We're sitting here in this car because I just lost my job. We're going through a lot right now, and this is a hassle for you to come here bothering us while we're sitting at a parking lot. Like, this doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I never heard anybody sit. This is Wawa. It's open 24 hours. There's people sitting there.
Yeah, I just literally
What is going on? We just came from the store and bought drink. I just lost my job today. You don't smell anything. So can you please leave from our vehicle?
We really don't. We don't have anything. Sir.
And the car is not on, so you cannot say it's no smoke. I don't smoke. I don't know what you're talking about.
I smell it coming from
You don't
the car.
smell anything.
Okay.
I smell you. I smell you. Can you please leave from our car?
One counter.
Yeah, stay in the car.
Oh my God, can you leave from right here, bro? Y'all are illegal. Like, come on, I'm having a fucking shitty day. I lost my job today. I lost my job.
Keep the window down. Keep the window down.
Are you serious?
Roll the window down.
We didn't do anything at all. We're sitting here having a horrible fucking day, and you're gonna come over here and make it even worse by me just sitting in my car. There's nothing in this fucking car, bro. Because I'm going through a lot right now, and you coming here bothering me, bro. So please just move.
They're also sitting in
Like, they sitting over there. Why you not talking to them? They over there smoking and everything. That's probably where you smell weed at. You can look at my trunk. I have my clothes. I'm fucking homeless, sleeping in my car, and I got people like you coming over here bothering me. Like, that's illegal. You can't just come out to people's car, and I'm finna go in Wawa and ask them, did you get a call? Because you're lying. And you can't tell me to get out my car, because this is my car, and it's not on, and you are bothering me. Which you are very wrong to do that. Call your sergeant now. Call your sergeant now. I do not want to speak to you people because we're sitting in our car. I just told this man I lost my job today. Why are y'all coming over here bothering us? Literally put his hands on our car.
Why?
Because now you're detained for drug investigation. You're not free to go. Before it was consensual
Call the
encounter.
sergeant. Like, I'm going through a lot right now. Please go find somebody else to bother. Because I'm not doing anything wrong whatsoever. I don't know if y'all bored, y'all want something to do, but I'm not doing anything whatsoever. You know what you're doing is wrong.
I just got here, so I know you've been. I literally been here for only 3 minutes.
We just came
I
from
literally
Wawa.
parked.
I'm sitting in my car, looking at jobs, trying to figure out what I'm finna do to pay my bills so I can have somewhere to lay my head, because I don't have nowhere to stay right now. I just lost my job. I'm a professional welder. I don't have to steal. I don't have to kill. I don't have to do nothing to take nothing from nobody. I believe in working hard for what I want.
So here's the deal. I always wanted to
That's
because
wrong.
at least
What
we have
you're
a
doing is
conversation.
wrong.
We
What you
can
call
walk
your
up to any
sergeant
vehicle
over
in any
here?
public area
Because
that
we
we
ain't
want.
do nothing
Okay?
wrong.
Which is a
You're
consensual,
not
which is a
searching cars because you're
consent.
wrong. But what y'all doing is wrong. You don't come up to nobody's car while it's turned off talking about some, oh, you got a phone call. You don't come up to me dictating, telling me, this is not a free country. How can you come up to this car? We just came out of Wawa. Fill this soda. It's cold.
What we call a consensual encounter.
Call the,
Okay?
call the
That's exactly what we
sergeant.
do.
Please
No
call
one
your
told you
Yeah, but my
sergeant.
car isn't on. I'm just sitting
doesn't
here.
matter.
Call the sergeant.
We can
Call
approach
the
any vehicle that we want.
supervisor. I just came out of there and spent my money, and I'm sitting in the parking lot of a store that's open 24 hours. I'm not doing any suspicious activity. What you're doing is wrong, and you know you're wrong. You're gonna allow this guy to do this. That's wrong, bro.
Yeah, but I'm trying
As
to
long
figure
as
out
it's
what.
in the
Bro,
public.
that's wrong. We ain't doing
All right,
nothing
you don't do anything
wrong.
wrong, but we check out with vehicles all the time. That's not uncommon.
No, you're not checking this vehicle. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And you cannot search this car because you're wrong.
What we call a consensual encounter.
Call the sergeant. Please call your sergeant. Please call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Call your detective. Call the supervisor. Call the chief.
As long as it's in the
Bro,
public.
they're wrong. We ain't do nothing wrong.
So
I'm sorry.
when
I'm
we
sorry.
check out with people in
Look, call your
vehicles, if we
lawyer.
develop
Call your lawyer
probable
right now. Call
cause
Ken. Get Ken on the phone now.
to create now
Get Ken
what
on the
goes
phone
from a
now.
consensual encounter to a detention.
Oh my God, bro.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah, but
We're
you
not
said
even
I'm being
safe sitting
detained.
here,
Yes, ma'am. You're
bro.
not detained.
and this is not no what's right thing or none of that. That's wrong. That's wrong. What you're doing is wrong. What you call your sergeant over here because we ain't do nothing wrong.
The interaction took a sharp turn for the worse, ending with the female driver being transported to the Orange County Jail for resisting and an outstanding warrant.
Initially, everybody in the car and the vehicle.
Bro,
Initially,
can you
you were
call
free to go
your
because of the
I still call their sergeant. You cannot let them do that to you. We know our rights, Summer. We know our rights. Call.
I haven't done anything to get
Summer. Summer, no.
Yeah, well, we'll just wait for.
Call the sergeant. Call the sergeant.
Yeah, but this isn't necessary,
Call
sir.
the
We're not doing
sergeant.
anything
Please,
wrong.
please, because I
And
just
I'm
told
trying
you
to
This
this
isn't
explain to you.
necessary. I don't know what
Can
we're
you
doing.
call?
Just
No,
sitting
stop,
here.
Summer. Tell them to call the sergeant, please, because they know what they're doing is wrong.
Okay, there's someone in route right now, so just relax.
Yeah,
We have nothing.
We
so
don't
you don't
have
have to keep
nothing.
flashing us. Like we
Why are
have.
y'all
I'm not
coming
flashing
into our
you. You did what
car?
you're supposed to do.
Okay, but why?
This
We're
is
not doing
weird.
anything wrong. I'm confused.
Because you're being detained right now for investigation.
But what did we do for investigation? Why are you investigating us? These other people's cars out here.
What's the
The drug investigation. The car smells like cannabis.
It ain't no cannabis in here. We don't smoke, bro.
We're gonna search you guys. Make sure.
No,
you
you're
don't have
not
it. If that's
searching
not the
my
case,
car.
we'll
I'm
search you.
sorry. Get the around here.
Alright.
And I mean that. Get the from around me, bro.
No.
Bro, oh my God, bro. I don't want to deal with this, bro. Call the sergeant. Stop talking to them. Stop talking to them. Call the
sergeant's on
sergeant.
his
Because
way.
they know what they're
Can you
doing
put
is
your hands on
wrong.
the steering
They
wheel?
know what they're doing is wrong. We're going through a lot right now. These people trying to.
right
Just put
here.
them on the steering wheel because we're gonna have you step out.
No, you not. Don't touch my car. Move from my car. Move from my car. They trying to. Do not touch me. No. I'm sitting in my car. Not gonna.
Ma'am, I'm asking you to step out.
Rubbing me, babe.
I see.
I'm sorry.
You know I'm going to take you out. Step out for me.
You're okay.
Hey, step out.
From my car.
Step out for me.
Oh my God.
Calm down.
babe.
Listen, you are okay.
Stop grabbing me, bro.
It's okay.
Can you stop?
Step out. I'm asking you to step out. Step out.
It's okay.
Let me get out my car, babe.
You don't have to grab me. I can get out. I can get out.
I was recording. That's why you stopped, right?
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, I'm about to get out. I'm finna move. I'm finna get out. He's grabbing me, babe. I'm recording. I'm recording. Okay, sir. Okay.
You've had plenty of chance, okay?
All right. I'm sorry.
No, you've had plenty of time. Quit acting like that. Stop.
Please, sir. I just told you. Why are you doing this?
Anything on you?
No, I don't have anything on me. Get off of me, please.
Arrest for resisting.
What did I do?
Resisting.
I said I was getting out.
Nope.
I said I'm getting out.
No, you
don't
wanted
have
to tense
touch
up.
me.
You want to make a comment about recording, we don't care.
I told you I was close my dog. Please, I told you. Can you fix our clothes?
Can we get a female 45 for search?
You're exposing me.
You need to comply with what we're saying to
I
you.
can't believe you just threw my head down to this ground like this. Like, really, what did I do?
Have a seat. You're resisting. We give you a lawful order to get out.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? I haven't done anything wrong. Oh my God, man, we're not doing nothing wrong. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm not even from here, guys.
This could have gone a lot easier if you just would have listened.
But sir, we did not do anything.
Listen.
Exposing me.
Can we get a female 45 for search?
Exposing me. Y'all exposing me. Can you please
Alright, we're gonna
cover
have
my-
you sit over here and give you privacy right here. I'm not gonna touch your chest.
I can't believe you
You can
just.
cover your chest like right here.
Oh my God. How? You have my arms.
Somebody's gonna, a female officer's gonna come over and they can fix it. Okay?
I can't believe you just grabbed me for no reason. I didn't do shit wrong.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Weird. I'm telling
Chill
you.
out. Look, have I been yelling at you? I know you're frustrated. I get it.
Kinda
Stop talking.
weird.
Stop talking. Just listen. Officer's gonna ask you to get out of the car. If you just get out the car, you probably wouldn't even be in handcuffs, to be honest with you.
But I'm just going through a lot right now. I just thought I
Everybody
lost
has a
my
lot going
job. Can you throw my head to the ground?
No man, we were trying to get you out of the car. You could have came out.
You could have put, I'm only 100 and something pounds. You could have just grabbed my arm.
We did, but
Throw
you
me
tried to
down
fight.
For what? I didn't try
You
to
tried
fight
to
at
pull
all.
okay. Well, our body cam show different.
Everybody has
But
a
you're
lot.
employed. You have a house to sleep in. I'm sleeping
You
in
know I
my
have a
car.
house. You know what's going on in my
I'm
life?
sitting in my
you don't.
car.
Okay, well, we got stuff to figure out. So just chill out.
Can you stay with
I'm not
her?
a part of that. Figuring it out. Yeah, the body can't show you throwing my head on the ground. I have a lawyer, so I hope you know you're going to hear from me.
Do you need medical attention, man?
Yes. Okay. You already got what you wanted tonight. You just put your hands on a black woman.
Ma'am, what do you need the fire department
So
for?
you should feel good tonight, right?
Ma'am.
You threw a black woman down on the ground, so you should feel good tonight, right? You feel good? You better let me go.
Shotgun to our thoughts.
I'm in handcuffs. Let me go. You need to stop.
Can we get OFP?
You can't have a power
What
trip.
do you need the fire department for?
You can't have a power trip with me.
Not getting a car.
You feel good?
Ma'am, what do you need the fire department for?
I just, my whole head just got slammed into the
You have
concrete.
head bang?
Yes. My lawyer, can I please call my lawyer? I have a lawyer.
Do you have a card?
Well,
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Not on you.
Have you been issued one? What's a minute? Oh, you're trying to go in there? All right. That's your phone, right?
Yes, can you get my phone, please?
I told you where you going? You have a warrant, too.
Yeah, I know about my
You're fine.
Is there a jacket or
But what did they say I was going for?
resistant?
Yeah, but I wasn't resisting. He grabbed me out anyway.
Yeah, I wasn't on that side. I don't know. Turn around and talk to the sergeant real quick.
Hi, Sergeant.
How are you?
Make sure you have me on there.
Okay. So, tell me what happened.
I was just sitting in the car and the car was off. I'm just sitting in the
He's
car.
talking to you on the way, or you just want to head over there?
Situation right now. So we've been trying to like figure out things. And I was just sitting here for a little bit until I figured that out. And he just came out of nowhere and asked like what we were doing, and I immediately rolled the window down and I just told him, I was like, I'm not doing anything, I'm just sitting in my car. Like, I'm just sitting in my car trying to figure out something. That's all I told him. And he just had some other people pull up and stuff like that, and then my girlfriend started freaking out and getting like, anxiety because she be feeling like cops be on like power trips and stuff sometimes. And next thing you know, he started talking about, he smells something or whatever like that. And I told him immediately, like, it's nothing here to smell. It's nothing. We wasn't smoking or anything. Like, maybe earlier I was smoking, but not anything recent.
She's going to jail.
Yeah, resisting.
Did she comply pretty much when she got in the car?
Yeah,
I'm good with whatever you.
Yeah, she's good.
There's nothing crazy in the car?
No, just that.
Okay, sweet.
So she was just like feeling like, overwhelmed. So I'm trying to calm her down the whole time. I'm telling her, calm down, calm down, calm down. Next thing you know, he's flashing him and his other dude is flashing light. I told them, y'all don't have to flash the light in here. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Stuff like that and all of our personal items. That's it. And next thing you know, he's detaining her. They detained her first. And I'm trying to calm her down and I'm on my phone. I was about to start recording. As soon as I started trying to record, he snatched me out the car. He didn't even ask me to get out. He just snatched me out.
No, I don't want you to take her to jail, please. Yo, officer. I don't want her to go to jail. It wasn't, she's first time. I know, but she's sorry, and I'm sorry. We will never do it again.
He didn't say, ma'am, get out the car and give me a second to get out. He just immediately opened the door and started grabbing me out. He didn't ask me to get out the car or anything. And I don't feel like that was right. I wasn't resisting, and I was like, okay, let me get out on my own. You make the situation worse for me because I don't know anyone here. And when I tried to get out on my own, they just grabbed me out and they just slammed me on the floor and pulled my hair. I'm only 120 pounds. It was no need for them to do that. They could have just grabbed my arm really before they did that.
So the good thing is, every officer that's been on scene today has had their body camera on. So I will review their body camera and check and make sure that your story matches up.
Is that right what he did? Like, is he allowed?
I wasn't here, so I'm not going to sit here. There's your side of the story.
No, I'm saying,
hold on. There's your side of the story. There's his side of the story.
You're gonna go. Your companion over there, she also has a warrant. So either way, she would be going to jail. Even if we weren't going to charge her with resisting, she's going to jail for the warrant. Okay?
There's what happened on body camera and everything. That's what I'm here for. To review all of that, right? So I already got this side of the story. I'm getting your side of the story now. So first of all, when they approached, you knew they were the police, right?
Yeah.
They had their uniform on.
Yeah, I knew. I didn't have a problem with it.
Bro.
And we're taking that little bit of weed and destroying it, all right?
So
I'm stuck here, bro.
Yeah, well, she can't drive either. She didn't have a good license. So.
I'm stuck here, bro. I think y'all talking.
I immediately asked. I didn't ignore him or anything.
Okay. When you were getting pulled out of the car, like, I understand tensions were high and everything. Like, did you pull back into the car and be like, hold on, wait a minute?
No,
like,
I said I'm about to get out myself. And before I could even get myself out of my mouth, he already grabbed me out the car.
Can I call my brother or something,
you call whoever you want. Just
Alright,
know
can
that
y'all
you
give me?
can't drive because you're on the license,
Okay, you give me guys money so my brother come? Can one of y'all give me guys?
Probably not.
Nobody, y'all got money? Y'all can give me guys?
He didn't give me a second to get out. He didn't say, ma'am, step out of the car. He didn't say anything to me. All he did was just straight grab me out the car when she got arrested. When she got arrested, he grabbed me out the car.
Like, y'all can't help me out, bro? Like, bro, I'm stuck here, bro. What am I about to do now?
Now you're free to go.
Right. I'll look at all their body cam.
I'm sorry,
video.
can you put this cover over me?
I'll look at all the body cam video, and if it's something that needs to be addressed.
Alright, ma'am, you're free to go.
Can I give her a hug?
No, she's going to jail. No.
I just want to give her a hug.
Had things turned out differently, maybe I would be a little bit more sensitive to the matter, but...
That's what I'm here for. I'll address it. Go from there.
No problem.
Are you injured?
I do have a really bad headache right now, and my knee, and that's it.
All right, I see your knee. Oh, can you check you out already? Or just
Yeah, they just put a Band-Aid on it. They didn't put no alcohol or anything sanitized over it.
Okay. I'm going to take a picture of it.
Please, give her a hug.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and.
Bro, that's not fair, bro.
She has the warrant, so
I
she's
just
gonna
want
have
to give her a hug.
She's gonna have to sit for the warrant, okay?
I just wanted to give her a hug.
It doesn't stay on my phone or anything. It goes uploaded into the cloud, into our database and everything, and that's it.
Okay.
We're already watching this. You all right? Show on the glove.
I got it.
Following the arrest on April 21, 2025, the driver was booked into the Orange County Jail, where the active outstanding warrant was formally processed alongside her new charge of resisting law enforcement officers. Her late-night attempt to challenge the officers' authority at the Wawa parking lot was cut short once her legal status was confirmed through the dispatch system. In court, the defense's arguments regarding the initial contact were dismissed, as judges routinely uphold the legality of officers conducting wellness checks or investigating suspicious vehicles in commercial parking lots after hours. Furthermore, the distinct odor of the leafy green substance provided the necessary probable cause for the vehicle investigation. While the cooperative passenger was released at the scene without charges, the driver was ordered to be held without bond on her prior warrant. She was ultimately sentenced to time served for the misdemeanor obstruction charge, but remained in custody to face her separate outstanding felony offenses. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.